honoring my faith and being my authentic self on and offline has made me over $1 million. And I'm going to tell you why. Because people want people, people buy people. A lot of people start brands and they think that the product has to be the best. And don't get me wrong, right? Please have a good product. But know that people buy into people. They're buying into your story. They're buying into your testimony. They're buying into you. And unfortunately, in this social media age, we have a lot of people starting brands and they want to be like somebody else, or they see somebody else's success. And so they try to emulate what that person is doing and they get frustrated when they don't see success. Well, the frustration is coming because your success is waiting on you to show up as you. So a lot of you, especially those that watch me, right? You already know I own a brand called Girl Plus God. I started with I Shop Jesus Saves. That was my very first t-shirt. I've had Wake Pray Slay. I've had Purpose Over Purses. I have had so many faith brands. And I've gone through different seasons in my life. Of course, I went to school. I am a theologian, and I have studied religion and spirituality and understand how powerful it is across the globe. And I know that all of us have a testimony, right? You have a testimony, you have a story, you have something that you have gone through. And you may be like, sometimes I want to share it, but then I don't want everybody in my business, but then I know it can help somebody. Now, listen, I'm not telling you to go share all your business and tell all your stuff. What I am telling you is that your testimony could be your next business idea. Your testimony can be your next faith brand, the way that you change millions of lives and make millions of dollars in the process. And all of that I did with no money to start. I did not have any money. I was on a gospel radio show. Okay. Talk about living on faith. I didn't have any money to start, but using print on demand helped me get my shirts, my products to hundreds of thousands of women across the world. We were shipping shirts to Africa. We were shipping shirts to Europe, right? Like across the world, I am selling shirts because of Printify. Because I found companies where I did not have to go shipping products and I didn't have to worry about how I was going to get my products to all of these people when we started making all of these orders. So I'm telling you my story to say, I know that you have a story too. It may not be as dramatic or, as ridiculous as what I be having going on over here, but you have a story. And it can be as simple as you logging into Printify today, you finding products that you resonate with or that you think that people who have maybe a similar story as yours would resonate with. That could be a blank journal. That could be a coffee mug. It could be a message for somebody who just needs to get up and see something positive on their wall, whatever that looks like. You can simply go into the editor and type in your testimony. It is that simple. You don't need to be a graphic designer. You don't need to have all the skills. And all of this, you don't need to spend the money, right? You're just typing in your testimony. You're going to save that. You're going to name that however it comes up for you. And if you feel like you need help, what I love is that Printify has the built-in AI, but you can also use AI on the outside. Okay, Claude, ChatGPT, Gemini, use them. Help me come up with a name. This is my testimony. This is who I am. This is what I want to say. This is the person that I want to help. You're going to save it because Printify is going to take you through all the things, right? All the things you got to do to save it. And you can create your Printify pop-up store. You can post this to Etsy. Etsy has a huge, they got all kind of faith stuff over there, right? TikTok shop. You can put it on your own Shopify. Whatever works for you. Printify is going to print it, pack it, and ship it. And you're going to connect it to a sales channel, which is your Shopify, your Etsy, one of those. All right. Once you do that, start sharing your story. Start sharing. Even if you don't want to talk on camera like this, write it. Go to Canva and put it in a quote. All right. You know how many Instagram and maybe just Instagram. I was gonna say TikTok, but TikTok is more for video content. But how many Instagram pages have over 1 million followers and they're just quotes, but they're quotes that people resonate with. And some of those pages, they sell merch. So even if you don't want to be on camera, you can still share your testimony. Or you can turn it into just sharing wisdom based on your story and just share that wisdom with other people that need it. But I think that during this time in the world, it's so important that we kind of get out of our own way. Stop worrying about like what friends and family might say. Stop worrying about if you're going to embarrass yourself. Stop worrying about if you're going to do it wrong or what if nobody buys. Stop putting that in your own mind and just go, because you sharing authentically, you telling your story, you helping other people can literally make you a lot of money, right? Like it's a win-win. That has been my story. That has been my story. And I'm so grateful to companies like Printify, Bella Canvas, Shopify. I'm not going to cry. You better not. You better not. The companies that when I had nothing, I was able to use them to generate money to save myself. And those same companies reached out to me to work with me. I had no idea when I started my YouTube channel that it was going to turn into this. I didn't even know you could really make money on YouTube. I just wanted to help other people. I knew I had started selling t-shirts. People had started asking me how I did it, what that looked like. And I said, let me help other people. Other people need to know how to do this. Other people need to start making money online, right? If they're in a situation like mine and they don't have any money and they're trying to figure it out and they know they got a story, a message, they know they like something, like I need to help other people do this. My intentions weren't for the money. My intentions were to help other people. And that authenticity and that faith to sit in an empty living room changed my life. It continues to change my life. When I lost everything and I had to start over, guess what? The companies were like, hey, we're still rocking with you. Printify was like, hey, we're here. We want to work with you. We see your testimony. We're here. Shopify, we're here. Some of the biggest companies in the world, because I was willing to share. So I know it's scary. I know it is. Because even though I do it, I still show up sometimes and I'm like, I don't know if I want to talk about this. But you got to let your faith lead you sometimes. I'm just going to be honest. If you are a faith-led person, if you are a believer in anything, right? So remember, I'm a theologian, so I don't discriminate. Whatever it is that you are on your path to, why not share that? And in the process, help yourself, right? If you've been looking for a side income, if you've been looking to live your dreams and you haven't lived it, I got students from college age to 60 plus. I've heard the testimonies. I have students who have talked about their amazing marriages to their domestic violence story, to their recovery of certain ailments, to their children's recovery of certain ailments. I've heard the testimonies. I have seen the beauty and what it looks like for them to heal themselves through starting their brands. So yes, it is possible for you to do this. No, I did not think this was going to turn into no testimony for myself today. No, I did not think I would get that emotional. However, if this was for you today, my prayer is that you would get started, that you would have faith and believe in yourself, that you would look at Printify and see what it is that you can create, that you would know that if I'm here talking about it, it's because I've done it. It's because I believe in this company. It's because I am grateful for what they have done for me. And I want for other people to walk that same path. I am saying all this to say that you can absolutely do it. You can absolutely do it. I believe in you. I know you can do it. And I want for you to start today. All right. So if you have any questions about Printify, leave them below. If you want me to send you my Printify link, leave it. Say Printify in the comments. I also have a free t-shirt class if you're interested in selling t-shirts or interested in learning more about my journey, my story. I have that for you as well. So thank you, especially if you made it all the way to the end. All right. I love you, and I will see you in the next video.